Right, guys, I want to give you a quick update on the results I've been getting with Wayne Crowe's OLSP system. Now, what it is you just promote one link, that's it. And that link cookies people. You send them to a free Facebook group, they sign up, they're cookied to you, you get a nice dashboard, you can see all your earnings in, and that's it. That's all I have done, right? I have not promoted anything and I'm earning money. Wayne does the promotions for you. He closes sales for you. He does lives on Facebook. Anybody who buys who's been cookied to you, you'll get the commission. So let me just give a bit of a breakdown of my earnings. Right, now I promoted this. Was it this one? Yes, it was this one. I promoted this one, okay. I sent people to a special Facebook link, so the people were cookied, and anyone who bought on the webinar, okay, I got some commissions, which I got $103. Now, this is the only product I have promoted since joining. I've only sent traffic to this special link. All right. I have let the system do the rest. So now I have brought people into OLSP, but I have only promoted this. So you can see here I've got people buying traffic packages. That's if they buy solo ads, etc. OLSP training, that's people who upgrade on their accounts. Pay-per-click shortcut, this was a product. I promoted this to my list, but I didn't promote it. I promoted it separately from OLSP, like I do not many other promotions. I created a YouTube video and I earned. These are extra commissions that Wayne has earned for me from the people who were cookied in OLSP. So it was a Warrior Plus product, so I promoted it on me, regardless of OLSP. I was going to promote this anyway, which I did, and I earned commissions on Warrior Plus. However, I also earned $542 commissions from what Wayne generated for me from his OLSP link. So it was like a double whammy. I logged into my account for $500. And let's have a look. Here's another one. I didn't promote this one. $125 from that. I can't remember what that was. Not sure that one. This was I think this was a webinar last week. So as you can see, guys, this is really working. Get involved with this. Let me just show you into there's people making money from this who've never made money before online, and I mean, let me just go. Oh, hang on, I'll go here. Let someone's just got some money there. Let me just click on this. These are people posting. That's the one just seen. There's somebody here. December is off to a good start. Work the system seems to work for you. This is a live that Wayne did the other day, and that they got commissions. Because the people are cookie to them. This is a payout. Look, another from thanks for your hard work, Wayne and team. They are closing the sales for people. Is another one. Some of these people have never ever made a commission before. It's incredible. There's a little bit bigger one. Look, this is Dan. I know Dan. He's flying with this. Look, this is all from a live training that Wayne did. So you don't have to. You just bring people into the system. You don't. I don't know if that's going to load. Just keep at it. All you need to do is invite people and spread the word. Yeah, that's all you need to do. And Wayne and this team close the sales. Honestly, guys, I'm really... this is going to be one of my main focuses in coming into 2021, because I speak to Wayne a lot, and there's a lot of other stuff in the pipeline that's going to make this even better. This thing's just starting, so get involved, getting on my team. Now, if you do want to be on my team, I would use a different browser to sign up with, because you might be cookie to somebody else who's been promoting it, and these cookies are solid, so you might end up with a different sponsor. I'm going to be adding traffic training, and I've already given out some funnels that people can use to promote this. People getting, look at this, what, holy cow, it's working. Honestly, most of these people have never made any money before, and now they are. Here's a nice little check for $668. Brilliant. So get involved, guys. It's working for hundreds of other people, as you can see, and this thing is really going to take off. I'll tell you now, because I've been speaking to Wayne, and I know what's coming, and it's really good. It's going to blow your socks off. Nothing out there can touch this. Now, I've been doing this a long time. I've never seen anything like it, and that's hand on heart. I've never seen anything like this before. Get involved with this.